Uruguay secures the first world title, establishing early South American dominance. Then, Italy conquers Europe with military discipline. The Italian Empire retains the crown, solidifying football's first back-to-back global dynasty. Decades later, the Maracanazo shock shatters Brazil's dream, proving that immense psychological pressure can destroy favorites. Soon, the miracle of Bern showcases West Germany's spirit, breaking Hungary's legendary unbeaten streak through pure endurance. Then, a teenage Pelé explodes onto the stage, launching Brazil's era of untouchable tactical flair. Brazil defends the title with clinical depth, proving a true superpower can overcome major injuries. England uses home advantage and rigid structure to claim their lone trophy, introducing high-pressing elements. Brazil's iconic 1970 squad creates the ultimate masterpiece, permanently taking the trophy and setting perfection benchmarks. Next, West Germany's efficiency neutralizes Dutch total football. Argentina claims the ultimate prize on home soil. Backed by fanatical crowd energy and aggressive transitions, Italy rises to tactical brilliance, neutralizing artistic masters and clinical German structures with counterattack masterclasses. Soon, Diego Maradona performs individual miracles, dragging Argentina to the top through pure, unadulterated genius. Germany achieves clinical redemption in a defensive era, showcasing the peak of European physical preparation. The first final, decided by penalties, proves that glory ultimately hangs on psychological nerve, not tactics. France builds a new empire, using elite defensive structures to crush Brazil's historic reign on home soil. Ronaldo's dramatic redemption guides Brazil to their fifth star, showcasing the lethal efficiency of individual brilliance. Italy's defensive wall outlasts the European elite, proving that conceding no goals brings modern success. Spain's Tiki-Taka revolution monopolizes global football, using relentless possession to choke out international opponents completely. Germany's 10-year plan peaks with absolute dominance, destroying Brazil at home and outlasting Argentina's elite bloc. France showcases the modern blueprint, combining explosive athletic transitions with rigid defensive discipline to conquer. Recently, Lionel Messi cements his eternal legacy, breaking France's generational core in a historic battle of endurance. Now, the expanded tournament pushes metrics to the limit, forcing teams to balance depth, stamina, and new championship DNA.